Hello everyone. Just finished up another little project for the layout here and I thought I would share it. This is an old Bar Mills Craftsman kit, and as you can see it's Wicked Wanda's. It is a wooden kit that has to be completely cut and assembled and painted in every way, shape, or form. The roof shingles here are actually made out of paper. And I kind of envisioned it as kind of a bar, roadhouse, house of ill repute type of place that the railroad men go after work and spend their money. It didn't come out too bad. I painted it up with a kind of like a wood stain, and I used a green trim. The roof is, again, paper that I did some highlighting on. And I did give it a little bit of an interior. I separated up the second floor to bedrooms, and I did a little bit of a bar scene on the first floor. It was not that challenging to put together, and I had a lot of fun. I may do another Craftsman wood kit in the future. That's about it.